Welcome to study with us. Our WhatsApp and calling number is 8230086177. We provide guidance for UPSC GS papers. In this video we will discuss about green hydrogen policy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced policy on National Hydrogen Mission for India. This policy underlines the importance of green hydrogen to achieve low-carbon net zero economy in future by India. The policy also aims at to build up green hydrogen segment for use in domestic industry and for export. We expect government to develop full-spectrum policy on green hydrogen to strengthen value chain and bring clarity, which is currently unavailable. This policy acknowledges to move quickly and to establish presence in the segment, which is critical in global net zero attainment. It also has potential to unlock economic benefit associated with green hydrogen. To capitalize this opportunity, policy focuses on enabling production of green hydrogen in a manner that will permit rapid uptake by user industries. Production units be set up near to consumption units. Interstate transmission charges are proposed to waived off for 25 years. The price is main challenge in adopting green hydrogen to replace fossil fuel. The policy gives a clear direction to that effect. In the absence of policy engagements on demand from users, there could be serious unutilized capacity issues. Other serious issues like safety and new technology must be addressed. Based on such a policy, we will soon see a sea change in India's approach in green hydrogen. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.